It looks like Arsenal are going to have to find someone new to play in central midfield in the Europa League, because today they sold Francis Coquelin. One part of his transfer is attracting extra attention. You'd hardly think that losing players would be Arsene Wenger's priority in the transfer window right now, but the Frenchman today lost Francis Coquelin to Valencia for £12 million. Either way, the Arsenal boss has obviously decided to make do without the 26-year-old Frenchman who was once the answer to all of their defensive midfield problems. The La Liga side confirmed the signing, and one thing they said certainly raised eyebrows: Valencia CF has reached an agreement with Arsenal Football Club on Thursday for the transfer of Francis Coquelin, who becomes a new black and white player until June 30, 2022, with a clause of cancellation of €80 million. That's right, the player's release clause is £71 million, and fans couldn't quite believe their eyes. Does anyone think that Coquelin will move for that fee in the future? That's when you know the game will really have gone.